So the boat was a lot easier to carve than the wave. It was a little less abstract and a little less frustrating because I knew what I was going for, and also it was a little smaller. So the back of the boat doesn't have any cake because that's where the deck of the boat's going to be and the little fence that goes around it to keep the people in. And that's just going to be decoration. And you can see the little square in the back, that's my trapdoor. So that actually required a little bit of forethought, and I'm actually kind of proud that I did it. Thought of it in advance. The final design has a figurine of the fisherman standing in the back of the boat fishing, of course. And so the boat is actually built on masonite, sort of wood, so that way it's structurally sound and it's not going to move or flex or anything. So the figurines are built on skewers and wires through their legs and body and then down into the cake. That way they stand up straight and don't just tip over, especially if they're standing. So you can't just shove wire and skewers through wood or masonite. So the trapdoor is there to allow his feet to stick into the cake below it, which would be the wave. And so that was a little forethought, whereas if we didn't do that, we really probably wouldn't have gotten the figurine to stand. So that was a crucial element. So that little weird nub head on the front of the cake, that finally got some detail added to it, so I was able to put another piece of blue fondant on there and add some foamy wave crest splashes out of royal icing. That way it feels more like a real part of the cake and like it always meant to be there, and that's our wave crest on the finished cake. Also, the royal icing helps stick the boat down.